Welcome to this guide on quickly creating a company profile in PowerPoint. In this tutorial, you will learn how to develop a simple yet professional slide that showcases your company logo and mission while presenting important company information. Begin by opening the PowerPoint application on your computer. Once the program has loaded, locate and open the presentation that will serve as your template or workspace for this company profile. After you have your presentation open, the next step is to insert your company logo into the slide. Locate and click on the Insert tab in the PowerPoint toolbar. This tab gives you access to a variety of multimedia options that help personalize your slides. In this instance, you will be selecting the Pictures tool to incorporate the company logo. When you click on Pictures, you need to choose the option that allows you to insert an image from this device. This choice opens a file browser window, enabling you to locate your company logo saved on your computer. Once you have found the logo, insert it into your current slide. Adjust its size and position as needed so that it comfortably fits within your slide layout and maintains a visually appealing balance. With the logo in place, it is time to add text that communicates your company goals, vision, or mission. To do this, return to the Insert tab where you will now select the text box tool. After clicking on text box, move your cursor to the area of the slide where you would like the text to appear and click to create a new text box. Start typing your company goals, vision, or mission statement directly into the text box. You may then adjust the text properties by changing its color to reflect your company's brand or color scheme, and modify the text size to achieve the desired level of emphasis and readability. Following the goal statement, additional information about your company can be added to further enrich your profile. At this point, you will insert another text box. Once again, navigate to the Insert tab and click on the text box option to generate a new area for text input. In this text box, you might include details such as services you offer, significant achievements your company has reached, or insights into your team dynamics. By presenting this supplementary information on the same slide, you create a comprehensive and cohesive profile that offers a broader view of your company. After completing the text additions, consider setting a background that complements your company's visual identity. Start by selecting the slide from the left panel so that your changes are applied to the correct slide. Then go to the Design tab in your toolbar. Within the design options, locate and click on Format Background. This action will open the background formatting options where you can choose the appropriate color for your slide's background. Selecting a color that matches your company theme not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also reinforces your brand identity across the presentation. By following these steps, you will have efficiently crafted a company profile slide in PowerPoint that is both visually appealing and informative. Enjoy customizing your slide further, and remember that these techniques can be applied to additional slides and presentations to create consistent branding across all your materials.